Namaste students, Khusro video. I JVN Dr. Narendra Singh Sekhawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Salya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. In previous classes, we discussed about intestinal disorders. Now, today's class we will discuss about ulcer. What is the ulcer? Now, let's start. Let's begin with definition. Ulcer is a break in the continuity of covering epithelium, either skin or mucous membrane due to molecular death. This definition is given by S.R. Bhatt book. By Bailey, an ulcer is a discontinuity of an epithelial surface is characterized by progressive destruction of the surface epithelium and base, which may be necrotic, granulating, or malignant. Part of an ulcer, margin. This pic is showing the parts of an ulcer margin uh, junction between normal epithelium and ulcer. This is the margin junction between this normal structure and ulcer. This is ulcer. Okay, student. This is ulcer. This is the margin. Now edge area between margin and floor of the ulcer. This is the edge, margin and between the floor. Floor, exposed surface of the ulcer. This is the floor. Base on which ulcer rests. This is the base, as you can see. Okay, students. Etiology: traumatic cause, vascular insufficiency, neoplastic condition. These are the causes of ulcer. And other causes are these: metabolic disease, malnutrition, beriberi, trophic inflammatory, tuberculosis, fungal infection, and other causes are also. Classification: clinical classification, pathological classification, and Wagner classification. There are three classifications. First, clinic: spreading ulcer, healing ulcer, and callus ulcer. This is the spreading ulcer. Surrounding skin is inflamed. Floor is covered by sloughs. No evidence of granulation tissue. Purulent discharge also. Healing ulcer. Surrounding skin not inflamed. Floor covered with granulation tissue. Edge and a bluish outline of the growth epithelium. Slight serous discharge also. This is the healing. Callus ulcer. Pale granulation tissue in the floor, considerable induration at the base, edge, and surroundings, so no tendency toward healing. Second, pathological classification: specific ulcer, non-specific ulcer, and malignant ulcer. Specific ulcer, these include infective ulcer, like example syphilitic ulcer, tuberculosis ulcer, fungal infection, Buroli ulcer, tropical disease called when these are the specific ulcer. Non-specific ulcer are missing here. Non-specific ulcer, there is no cause behind that. This is called non-specific ulcer. Malignant ulcer, these include squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, and malignant melanoma. These are the malignant ulcer. You can see, students. Wagner classification. Uh, Wagner class based on the grading of the wound. These are 5 gradings. You can see. Pathology. The natural history of an ulcer consists of three phases: extension phase, transition phase, and repair phase. Means Floor is extensive include floor. Ulcer floor is covered with a slough, purulent discharge inflamed edge. Transition floor so separated slough, granules, healthy granules and tissue, shear discharge. Epiphyseal fibrosis, collagen deposition. These are the pathophysical. Investigation, as you can see, study of discharge means pus culture and sensitive test, wedge biopsy, X-ray, fine needle, and aspiration cytology, HB, ESR, CBC, serum protein, etc. Now treatment. First of all, identify the cause and treat the cause. Correction of anemia and deficiencies like vitamin deficiencies, mineral deficiencies, etc. Blood transfusion if needy. Control pain and infection, ulcer debridement, cleaning, dressing. Topical for infected ulcers, sulfadiazine. It is a maggot debridement therapy. In Ayurveda, this is called leech therapy. Also can use. Okay. This is the treatment of uh, wound ulcer. So, student, this is all about the ulcer. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubt and query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.